I was off of the medications all last year, and I gained 20 pounds because I wanted to test it. Because everybody was saying, you're going to gain the weight, and I'm going, I'm going to show them they're not going to gain the weight. I'm going to hike, I'm going to do it.
So you were taking it and then you got off of it.
And then I was taking it, then I got off of it. And then I gained 3 pounds, and I gained 5 pounds, and I gained 10 pounds, and before you know it.
But also, you write about this, you gained the pounds, but more than that, the noise was back.
The noise was back. The noise of where you're just standing there looking at the refrigerator and what can I eat, what can I eat? And so I was trying to eat more healthily, but still put the weight back on. If you're on blood pressure medication, which a lot of people are on blood pressure medication, if you stop your blood pressure medication, your blood pressure is going to go up. The same thing is true.